Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is On 7 Rings by Ariana Grande. It's on the guitar, so let's get started. Alright, so for this song, I'm going to teach you guys the chords, strum pattern, and then we'll get into that little bass line or melody that you hear throughout the entire song. So the first chord we're going to use is a C sharp minor to an A, then an F sharp minor, and then to an A flat. So we're just going to be using these 4 chords for the entire song. Alright, so now the strum pattern that I'm going to use for this is a down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So here it is without the chords. Alright, so now let's just add in the chords with that strum pattern. So here's that lead sound that you hear throughout the entire song. Alright, and it just keeps going, so we'll continue with this. So we're going to start off on the 4th fret on the 2nd string. And then also the 6th fret of the G string. Alright, so we're going to hit that 2 times. Okay, now with that shape right there, we're going to bring it up to the 5th fret. We're going to hit the 5 on the E. And then it hits 7 to 6. So I'll start over, we'll go to 4, into the 5, okay, so now go down to the 2nd fret for the F sharp minor, and this part we're going to slide, so instead of the slide, you can also hit it twice. So it goes 2 to 4, slide. This part goes to 3rd fret, and then it restarts again. And then you're also going to hear that note in the song. So basically 6, 4, right on the G string. So if you guys are still having a little trouble with that, you guys can go back to it and just keep, redoing it. But right now, I got a little beat that I made. So I'm going to play it and then play everything that I taught you guys with the beat. thanks again, guys, for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't yet, and then go check out the other videos you guys might like. And I guess I'll see you guys on the next video.